Grand Rising from Melbourne, Florida. I live for Airbnbs like this. As a nomad, this is perfect for me. And the cool perk for this Airbnb, you get free eggs. You ever been to an Airbnb this cool where you could actually get your own eggs and fry them in the morning? And yes, you are allowed to take these eggs. They do have a hammock, they have a fire pit, and also a full kitchen for you. Let's go. Now this is from your entrance. It comes with a full kitchen, living, and also your bedroom upstairs. Now whoever built this really understood the assignment. But the higher you go, the lower you gotta be. So me would have comfortable with something like this in my backyard in Jamaica. To get away from the family, man, alright. So this is what it looks like from up above. And you also have a bathroom. Is a full bathroom this? Yeah, it's a full bathroom. There's also an extra bed right across that you gotta use this ladder to get to. You see that toilet here? Is push button. Like. And this is the full bathroom. What y'all think though?